Boy!
This must be crazy.
Take that little truck. Take that little truck he got launched on over on unlead him. Good to your wife. Boy! 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 Boy!
Oh my God.
Boy!
Wow.
Boy! Boy! And then they see them other vehicles and then they might stop, but don't think they will. Boy! Boy! Boy!
Oh my God.
Come on, boy! Boy!
Someone else also called.
They seen them other cars. Boy! They think you won't shut them up. See them looking at boy! 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 Boy!
Oh. I think we should stop here.
He's getting back in the car. He must be scared off.
Yeah. They're scared off.
Ain't they pretty cow?
Yeah. The gate is open, right? So we should stop them here. We should stop them here. We should stop them here. Yeah, you can call them back.
I can't call them back.
You sure?
No, they come out looking some feed. I'll get that gate before we can get down there now.
The front gate is.
I ain't worried if we go down the well. We'll see which way down first. And they always have a lead cat that follow them.
Yeah.
That's what they want to see, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
I thought it was so proud to come in with this pickup and must not have been.
See, they heard your voice. They understand it.
Like I say, they know more for us. I knew they didn't hear me a while ago because they'd have came if they'd heard.
Yeah.
Because they had a load, you know, and they had one on with a load.
Right.
And they wanted a load. You could flies on that. You can spray them and I kept them sprayed, keep them off.
Yeah. Someone else is also there, right? Your friend?
Where you see him? On the little pig, yeah, that's him. Yeah, that's him. I know him come at me. He said we were in the woods.
Right.
I know he didn't know.
Yeah.
And now they know that, if he goes out there little truck, and they'll go out with that truck, they'll fall into the truck, because that's where they used to feed them with.
Oh, wow.
We could slide on down there.
Wow. Wow.
Okay, I'm not going to go out. I don't go out. They won't hurt you.
Yeah.
They won't rock you. I tell them not to
Yeah.
go, they'll fall in.
That's crazy, man. You called all of them, they heard your voice?
Don't they were over and they couldn't hear.
Yeah.
Y'all get out. She needs to take back her car up. Let me get. They're gonna mess these vehicles up. They ain't gonna bother them cars. They won't get out. They just won't sit in. Tell me get out. They won't hurt.
Hey, దిగండి
They won't hurt.
ఏమన్నా వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా వాళ్ళని కాదని మనకు గుర్తే
They won't.
మరి కథలు పడతారు దిగురు They are getting scared.
Back up.
You want to back up the car? Rohit, వెనక కడ పోను.
What you gonna do, Graham? Back these cars out here. They'll get on them. No, they ain't gonna blow them cars. They won't get out of it. Look at the cow. That's all right. Tell them that's all right right there. We get the gate for the cows, then. Tell them that's all right. Tell them that's okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
You want to stop them?
Yeah, we'll stop. Yeah, we'll. Tell them stop right there, Graham.
Out.
Tell them get out.
Yeah, they are getting out. Buddy,
I
run.
figured they were down yonder. They were all in the far corner. Weren't they? What happened? They were way. They couldn't hear me. They couldn't hear me calling. Nice bunch of cows, ain't they?
అవి మనల్ని చెప్తాయి కానీ ఇక
Right there at the bull. Right there at the bull. He's a mess. He don't.
Yeah.
That's the bull. The babies are. They
Yeah.
just sold a bunch of them babies.
See? I was so amazed.
I got one here.
Just పోయి ఓయ్ అన్నాడు just followed ఓయ్ all the bulls were just following him. I was so amazed to see this, you know.
Yeah.
All of them were eating there
Yeah.
and he just went there, said oy.
Boy.
One responded and whole was here.
They're used to me in that truck, and when they see that truck and I holler,
Right.
they're looking at her, looking for feed now. They won't get fed in the morning.
Yeah. ఇదే గిన్నె బండ్లే కొడుకులకు అన్నిటికి చిన్నపిల్లలు పెద్ద వాళ్ళు.
That bull there way over a ton. Yeah, way over a ton. Over 2,000, man.
Wow.
Is that some of Dr. Radhesh people? Yeah. Are you?